In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the width of a column in Excel. This is a simple adjustment, but it is very useful when your text looks cut off, your numbers do not fully appear, or you just want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and easier to read. The good news is that Excel makes this very quick once you know where to place your cursor and what to look for on the screen. To begin, move your mouse to the top of the worksheet where the column letters are displayed. Find the column you want to adjust, then place your cursor over the right edge of that column letter. For example, if you want to change column A, move your cursor to the line between A and B. It is important to place the cursor directly on that border, because that is the part of Excel that controls the width of the column. As soon as your cursor is in the correct position, you will notice it change shape. Instead of the normal pointer, it will become a black crosshair with arrows pointing left and right. This is the visual sign that Excel is ready for you to resize the column. If you do not see that shape, move the cursor slightly until it appears. Being precise here makes the next part much easier. Once the cursor has changed, click and hold your mouse button. Then drag to the right if you want to make the column wider. Drag to the left if you want to make it narrower. As you move the mouse, the column width will adjust in real time, so you can stop when it looks the way you want. This gives you a quick and direct way to control how much space the column uses. If your cell contents are not fitting neatly, making the column a little wider can help everything display more clearly. On the other hand, if a column looks too large and wastes space, dragging it left can make your worksheet more compact and organized. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how easy your spreadsheet is to use. That is really all you need to do. Hover over the right border of the column, wait for the resize cursor to appear, then click and drag left or right to change the width. After you try it once, it becomes a very fast habit whenever you are formatting an Excel sheet that covers everything you need to know.